Hey friends, welcome to Frank's Monster Garage. Today we're hunting Easter eggs. What's inside? Whoa, check it out, check it out. It's Batman. And who's in this? Whoa, it's Dragonoid. Wow, look at that egg. Whoa, check this one out. Oh, look at this giant pink egg. Wow, look at that yellow one. Whoa, it's a pretty purple egg. Wow, look at this huge green egg. Wow, look at the orange egg. Whoa, that's a really cool golden egg. Wow, look at this green egg. Look at all the eggs we found. Whoa, what do you think's inside this one? What? It's upside down. Who's that? It's 32 degrees. Wow, that's so cool. Park that right there. What do you think's inside this one? Whoa, it's Northern Nightmare. Let's look at this one. Whoa, it's Earthshaker. Batman. What do you think? Who do you think's inside this big green one? Whoa, it's Lumberjack. Wow. That's a cool monster truck. Park it right here. Who do you think's inside this purple one? Who's that? Oh, it's Hooligan. Who's inside this pink one? Oh my goodness, it's Sparkle Smash. It surprised me. That's so cool. Who do you think's inside this one? Check it out, it's Bigfoot. Whoa, that's so cool. Who do you think's inside this one? Who's that? It's Dragonoid. What about this one? Whoa, it's Ivy. Check it out, check it out. What about in this purple one? Huh. That one's pretty cool. It's a silver one. It's a V8 Bomber. Whoa, who do you think's inside this golden egg? Oh, so big. Wow. Oh my goodness. Who's that? It's Stone Crusher. Wow, that's so cool. Look at that hood. Who do you think this is? Whoa, it's Wild Streak. Who do you think's inside this big pink egg? Well, it's the Thunder Bus. Wow, check that out. Who do you think's inside this blue egg? It's horsepower. What about this giant blue egg? Oh no, it's upside down. It's zombie. Check it out, check it out. That's so cool. Whoa, look at the hood of that truck. Whoa, it's El Toro Loco. Last, oh my goodness, it's Gravedigger. Do you see any more eggs? Oh, we've got these two big ones back here. Who's inside this one? Uh-oh, it's upside down. It's Snakebite, wow. And this is our last egg. What do you think's inside? It's Mohawk Warrior, I think. Yeah, check it out. It's Mohawk Warrior. That's so cool. How many monster trucks did we find today? Let's count all the small ones first. We found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's count all the big ones. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We found 20 monster trucks today. That's pretty cool. That's a lot of monster trucks. We'll see you next time, friends.